So we are at Cathedral Caverns State Park, and this is a place that I found out about through some of my viewers. They told me about it and they said we should come and check this out. And it's about 40 miles southeast of Huntsville, and it was an absolutely beautiful drive down here through the foothills of the mountains. And the park so far, what we're seeing here, actually looks really cool. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Really nice.
We don't even know where to go yet. We just parked, so we're gonna walk down there and see. But this looks like a really cool place. Checked it out online. It's similar to the caverns, like we went to the Florida caverns. So it's
or is it? We don't know.
Well, it's in the ground, and it's got stalactites
and
stalagmites. So let's go check it out. I wanted to get this. I'm not sure what it is. We've seen it in the parking lot. It's very old, and it's driven off a flat belt right here.
Is it like a mining cart or something?
I don't know. What's that? Oh, I think that's it right there. Wow. That is it. There's the entrance.
Yes!
That's amazing.
So awesome.
I read something about on the website that this is like one of the largest openings to a cavern. So they do guided tours of the cavern. I was actually hoping that it was a self-guided tour, but they do tours, so we're having to wait on the first one, which starts in about 20 minutes or so. They're at the cavern entrance, so we're just waiting, and then we'll get to go inside. It's really cool, though. All right, we're going in.
I'm level 10 excited. Level 10.
Abby's always level 10 excited.
That's true.
Nice and cool down here.
Collision between the North American continent and the African continent. Kind of like two freight trains going head to head. When that happened, that created the Smoky Mountains, or the Appalachian Mountain Chain. It shot this area straight up above you.
I like it down here. Feels nice and cool down here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it?
The rocks here on the sides of it, we refer to them as breakdown. That's because it used to be up there. As the cave got bigger and wider, part of the roof would collapse, hence the name breakdown, till it gets what we call a permanent roof, one that's able to support its own weight and then some. That is a shark's tooth. That's one of 11 shark's teeth that we found so far here inside the cave. Now, I only know of sharks to occur in the ocean. However, my daughter said she dated a few.
This was the man-made tunnel here.
This is the man-made tunnel.
Oh wow, okay.
Otherwise, we had gone down by the river.
Right. Okay. So he was showing us the river down below, and that was the only way to get to the other side of the cavern. So the guys dug this to get through. So the Native Americans never made it this far into the cavern. Well, they missed out, didn't they?
Yep. Now, had you been with Jake Gurley and gone the river route, you would have come out on the other side of that handrail right over there. He came up on this formation and he called it Goliath. Now, Goliath is a column. A column is a formation that touches both the ceiling and the floor. All right, we call this the frozen waterfall. This is the same material as stalactites and stalagmites are made of, but in this case it rolls over the existing rock, or in this case we'll call it flows over the existing rock. So we call this kind of formation flowstone.
It's a really cool place, isn't it?
Yeah,
You enjoying this?
very much, yes.
Yeah, it's awesome. You got to see it for yourself, though. Video's not gonna help too much showing the coolness. No.
That's all right, the good stuff's coming up still.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna try to capture it.
They'll have a lot more light in that part.
Okay.
You've gotten into what we call the stalagmite forest, and this first room is called the Cathedral room because this is where the cave got its name from.
Wow. Yeah, it's awesome.
And at these columns here, remind her of the columns of the old Gothic churches. And Jacob around me.
All right, looks like the end of the line here.
The 3,000 foot mark. That means you're over a half mile into the cave. The bad part is that peanut butter sandwich you were thinking about for lunch is a half mile that way. Now, as you can see, the cave does continue on. All you have to do is go across the breakdown, through the mud, around those rocks, around that formation, up that wall. And you see that one rock that's tilted like it's ready to fall over? Well, you have to go underneath it. But when you get to the other side, it makes it all worthwhile. Because on the other side of that rock is a second stalagmite forest. Like the one we just walked through, only that one's bigger. We talked about our 2 columns back there. That one has 8.
Have you gone in there?
Yes, many times. I actually have several research projects going on back there. So it's a fight among the tour guides every other month. Go back there and change out the batteries as to who gets to go.
So why won't they continue the path back there for us
Money.
to see? Oh, okay.
We just need more money to
Okay.
continue on with the rest of it. I'm hoping one day we get a group of politicians that will feel the same way we do,
Yeah.
but I think we're going to have to grow a new crop of politicians.
All right, that was the end of the walking tour. We're gonna work our way back out. Did you enjoy it?
So much.
I know you did.
I love it so much.
No, it's really cool.
I'm still level 10.
Good place to see. I'm glad they recommended it. I'm gonna try to get a good shot all the way out. We'll stop and look at this. This is the man that did this, Jay Gurley. Ah, daylight. The portal. That's what you call the portal
Look, I
on
just
caves.
made all my goals.
All the goals at one time.
Yeah.
Climbing, standing,
My
walking.
watch is like, wait a minute, what are you doing? Your watch is on someone else.
Oh.
So we go out this way, go through the tunnel.
Yeah, we're going to go through the tunnel here. He was saying that they have plans to make this this area right here a museum in the future. We've got a lot of artifacts that they found in here from the Native Americans.
Which I really would like to see.
They're waiting on the funding so that they can build it properly. And this, oh yeah, you can tell it's been here for a while. This was done by Jay, they said. He built this. Wow, is it a coffin?
Look at the creepy coffin.
Coffin, wow.
I'm gonna move away from the creepy coffins.
3 of them right there.
I love that smell. It's like
Yeah.
that rock.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if the sun's blowing this out, but that's an absolutely beautiful shot. You need to get a picture of that.
I've taken like 12 of them.
Okay, cool.
It's like the best picture. I don't think it's gonna do it justice though.
Mm-mm. Well, that was amazing. We had a great time here. For all you guys that suggested coming to see this, I appreciate it.
Yes, thanks so much.
Yep, and if you guys are watching this, haven't been here, come and check this out, definitely. Very close to Huntsville, and it's a beautiful place.
And the drive here was beautiful.
The drive's awesome too. It's beautiful country here. We're in the foothills of the mountains.
And he said that they didn't carve this out at all.
No, this is a natural.
Completely natural.
It's a natural opening.